Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can actually fix the screen burn on your iPhone 16 Plus or in your iOS 18 update. The best way to fix the screen burn is actually replacing the screen overall, because this is the thing which is very crucial. If it is hurting your eye and the scratches are here or dimming up, it is the hardware problem, not the software problem. What you need to do is just actually go to the Apple Store, and you can ask for a replacement of the screen and get your screen fixed. Another way, if you don't want to do that, just go to your settings, and after going to the settings, just swipe up. As you can see that there is an option display and brightness. Tap on it and switch your mode from light mode to dark mode. After switching your mode, it will automatically dark all of the edges of the screen and turn off all the burning sides of the screen. It will help you out but not fix the issue 100%, but it will help you a lot out and make your screen experience better, and so your eyes will be not hurting that much. So that's how you can actually solve this issue. I hope this video helped you out, and if still it doesn't, go to Apple Store and get your screen fixed. Thank you very much. Bye bye.